trail of destruction that has been left behind by Cyclone Yas after it made landfall on the Odisha coast and the eastern borders of the country. There are two states that have bore the brunt of the impact are West Bengal and Odisha. Over 15 lakh people that were evacuated alone in the state of West Bengal, even as the two chief ministers chaired high-level meetings there to actually prepare for the aftermath of Cyclone Yas.
Cyclone Yas made its landfall on the eastern coast on Wednesday. From Odisha to West Bengal and Jharkhand, bearing the brunt of nature's fury. Winds gusting up to 145 km per hour whiplashed parts of Odisha West Bengal coast, killing at least 4 people and leaving behind a trail of damaged homes.
चक्रवाती तूफान यस अभी ओडिशा तट को पार कर रहा है बालासोर के दक्षिण में। अभी इसका विंड स्पीड है 130 से 140 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा, गस्टनेस में 150 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा। अगले 3 घंटे के अंदर इसका जो लैंडफॉल प्रोसेस अभी चालू है कंप्लीट होगा। इसके बाद ये वीक होकर उत्तर पश्चिम दिशा में गति करेगा और कल सुबह ये झारखंड के ऊपर पहुंचेगा, तब इसका विंड स्पीड लगभग 60 से 70 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा होगा।
More than 21 lakh people were evacuated to safe shelters in the states of West Bengal, Odisha and Jharkhand. At least 1 crore people were affected and 3 lakh houses were damaged in West Bengal. A school situated along the coast of Shankarpur was washed away by high tides, which was even severe on the full moon day.
A very severe cyclone storm Yas has completed the process of landfall. Particularly, it crossed the North Odisha coast about 20 kilometers south of Balasore with an estimated wind speed of 130 to 140, gusting up to 145. And during last 6 hours, it moved with a speed of 24 kilometers per hour in north-northwestward direction. We are expecting it will lose its intensity during next 3 hours and become a severe cyclone storm. And after 6 hours, it became a cyclonic storm.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said relief materials worth rupees 10 crore had been sent to the affected areas and also held a meeting with Disaster Management Committee.
15,04,506 জনকে আমরা ইভাকুয়েট করেছি। 15 লক্ষ মানুষকে 15,04,506 জন মানুষকে আমরা তাদের বাড়ি থেকে তুলে নিয়ে গিয়ে বিভিন্ন শেল্টারে রেখেছি। 3 লাখের বেশি বাড়ি এখনই দেখা যাচ্ছে ড্যামেজ হয়ে গেছে। পরে আবার ফিল্ড সার্ভে করা হবে। এখন যতটা পাওয়া গেছে এই পর্যন্ত। নাম্বার অফ রিলিফ ক্যাম্পস 14,000 চলছে। বাঁধ ভেঙে গেছে 134টা। আরো বাড়বে অনেক, কারণ এখন যতটা পাওয়া গেছে।
People in the 128 villages of Balasore and Bhadrak district remained stranded as the gushing sea water had cut off road links to them. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik ordered a COVID test for the evacuees.
अभी जो चक्रवात यस तट को पार किया दोपहर के टाइम पर, ये लगभग विंड स्पीड 130 से 140 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा था। इसके कंपैरिजन पे लगभग 30 से 35 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा विंड स्पीड ताऊ से यस का कम रहा, इसलिए इसका डैमेजिंग इम्पैक्ट भी अकॉर्डिंगली कम रहा।
The Indian Army deployed 17 columns in West Bengal for rescue and relief operations and rescued over 700 people marooned at different places in West Bengal's East Midnapur district. The Indian Coast Guard also deployed its ships and hovercraft after the cyclone made its landfall.
Cyclone Yas is known to have started the landfall process at around 9 o'clock. DG IMD has confirmed to me that landfall process has started, and this landfall process is expected to continue for 3 to 4 hours. So it's expected that by around 1 p.m. the tail end of the cyclone will also be completely moving to the landmass.
Restoration work for power lines, that snapped due to cyclone have started in Jagat Singhpur, Kendrapara and Jajpur districts. The cyclone eventually weakened by afternoon, but leaving the coastal areas severely damaged. Bureau Report, Republic TV.